All right, this is my Subaru to Vanagon harness that I'm making, and it's coming along pretty well. That's the harness right there with ignition relay, fuel relay, spare relay. These wires are ones that have to find a new spot to terminate. There's a ground and a hot, I believe. And there's some wires on the spare relay that have to be connected. This is the plug-ins that go into the ECU, and that has a bunch of wires going to it right here that I have to ring out and find out what they're called and where they go and if I use them or not. This is the OBD2 port where you plug in your diagnostic tool, and this is two little clip connectors that are for diagnostic purposes, so you keep those. So that's the end of the harness that goes into the Vanagon underneath the bed, and then it goes along. There's a couple grounds right there that I have to deal with. There's a little group of wires right here that comes from the engine side that I have to find out what they do. And then over here I've got the starter wire, and this stuff is all engine plugs and CO2 plugs that go inside the engine bay. So that's pretty much it. I just have to ring it all out, those looped wires, those and those. Once I have those all figured out and connect it to that, that's the ECM right there, or ECU. That's the pile of tape and plastic that came off of it. Those are all the tools that I used. And that's the wire that you pull out of it. And that's the bucket of all of the connectors that I cut off. It's a huge melee of stuff that if you made a mistake and have to put something back, you keep it and you keep the wire. And that way you can put it back into the loom if you had to. So 2000 Subaru Legacy Outback wagon with a 2.5 four-cylinder motor, and it's going into a 1987 Vanagon Westfalia, and that's the harness for it. So we'll see how it goes. Have a great one.